In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview PDF files in Google Drive. This process is quite simple and very useful, especially when you need to quickly check the contents of a PDF without downloading it. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by typing Google Drive into your preferred web browser and selecting the link to reach the Google Drive homepage. Once you're on the homepage, click on Google Drive. This section houses all the files and folders you've stored or shared within the platform. From here, the next step involves accessing your Google account. If you're not already logged in, click on the account icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. This will prompt you to select or sign into the Google account you wish to use. It's important to ensure you're in the correct account where your desired PDF file is stored. Now that you're logged in and can see your files, locate the PDF you want to preview. Scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to enter keywords related to the PDF's title. Once you've found the file, click on it to highlight it. This will display a few options related to file management. Next, look for an icon with 3 vertical dots positioned at the top right of the Google Drive interface, often referred to as the More Actions menu. Click on this to reveal more options related to the file you've selected. Among these options, find and click on Open With. This context menu might suggest various applications or options for opening your PDF file, but for previewing, we want to keep it simple. In the Open With menu, go ahead and click on Preview. This option allows you to view the PDF directly in your browser without opening it in a separate application or downloading it. Within the Preview mode, you can conveniently navigate through different pages of the PDF by clicking the arrows on either side of the document or using a scroll feature if available. By following these steps, you're able to quickly and efficiently preview any PDF files without adding extra clutter to your downloads. Previewing files this way is efficient, especially when you're working on a computer with limited storage, or you simply want to keep your local files organized. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to preview PDF files on Google Drive. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance,